Hi everyone, welcome to Bitcoingem channel. I hope you all are doing great. This is video part 2 of altcoin watchlist where we are analyzing different altcoins. In today's video, we are going to analyze FET, VRA and Uni. I hope you guys have subscribed to the channel. Let us begin today's video. The first alt that we're looking at is Uniswap, that is Uni. Had a beautiful run on the upside in this recent relief rally, and as long as it holds $7.6, I think we can still expect further upside. So it's very important for Uni to hold 7.6 on the daily. If it is able to flip this area back into support, then I think it can aim for eventually $21 in the next few months. Of course, it won't be easy. There is interim resistance at around 12.5 at 14 and $15, but gradually we can expect this trend to go higher and touch 21, given that we hold $7.6. If at all we start having getting daily close below 7.6, then I would expect Uni to go and retest 5.4, and it is very necessary for Uni to hold 5.4, or else the risk of going to 2.5 becomes very high. Hence, it is important to understand if you're trading Uni that 7.6 currently is a very important support that it needs to hold. You can see it was previous resistance. It broke it and now it needs to flip this zone into support, or else it will be a kind of a deviation. It will be back below 7.6 and then it can give a good short trading while trading it till 5.4. So this is Uni for you on the daily. Even the 21 EMA is starting to lose support. So 21 EMA is currently at 8.3. So it is very important for Uni to hold 7.6 if you are wanting to long it, if you're wanting to short it. Once it breaks 7.6 and flips it into resistance, then I think this can provide a good trade up till 5.4. So that's Uni for you. The next chart we look at is VRA. Again, it had a good pump or the relief rally, but it has lost a very important 21 EMA daily support. Even then, 0.53 for me is a very important price for VRA. If it continues to hold it as support, currently it is holding, in fact, it's way above it. But if 0.053, I'm sorry, not 53, that would be a dream target for us. But if 0.0053 is what VRA can hold, then it can still likely go, and ultimately my target would be at around 0.125, so slightly higher than 1 cent. But if it loses 0.053, then I think it will go and retest 0.039, and this is where it has to hold support or the recent low, or else I see a major downside again for VRA if it starts getting close below 0.039, which currently is a very distant price. So no need to worry, but it needs to hold the low that it has created in this recent downtrend. This low needs to hold, but if it can hold 0.0053, that would be really great, and we can keep consolidating above it or move sideways, because eventually we will again start going higher and targeting this price for VRA. So overall, it is looking like every other alt right now, but it has lost 21 EMA daily support, which I would have liked it to hold it, but unfortunately it's not holding yet. 0.0053 is currently a good area where VRA should consolidate. The next chart we are looking at is Fetch or FET, and again it is currently above an important price zone of 0.0058, almost 0.0088, so almost close to 9 cents. Almost every alt is has given a good relief rally, and if you look at every alt, almost every alt is having a very similar chart. They are above a very critical price zone, but if they lose that, then there is a risk of we getting into new lows on almost every chart when we look at the macro scenario. Hence, it is very important for almost all alts to hold the recent lows, or else the significant risk to the downside is high if we lose recent lows on almost every alt chart that I can see. So fetch is no different. If it holds 0.088, I think it will eventually go and target this 19 cent region, as it was previous support which broke out, and now we need to retest it whether there is some resistance or we go ahead. So again, 0.008 and 0.077, these would be two good buy the dip zones if you're looking to trade FET, and your ultimate target or take profit would be somewhere over here. It can also find a good resistance at around 13.5 cents. But if it loses the recent low, then again a significant downside to 5 cents and 3.5 cents is what I see for fetch. And if you're a long term believer in any of these projects, then I think these are good long term accumulation zones, in my opinion. All these zones would be long term accumulation zones or a dream zones to buy if you like any of these projects. So, overall, this is currently a scenario for all alts. I hope you find this video valuable. Come back for new video. Take care, guys. Bye bye.